Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to your Blogger site in 2025. Whether you just bought a domain or you have had it for a while, this guide will help you set it up in minutes. First of all, go to blogger.com. Log into your account and open your blog settings. Scroll down to publishing and click on custom domain. Now type in your custom domain. Make sure to include the www dot at the beginning, like www.mycoolblog.com. Then hit save. Blogger will now show you two CNAME records. Keep this page open. Open a new tab and go to hostinger.com and then log into your Hostinger account. Click on domains. Choose the domain you want to use, then click manage. Now scroll down and find the DNS zone editor. You will now enter two CNAME records that Blogger gave you. For the first one, host www.valuecs.google.com. For the second, use the random codes from your Blogger page. Make sure the TTL is set to default or 3600 seconds. Then click add record after each one. To make sure your domain works even without www, you should also add for a records pointing to Google's IPs, like 216.239.32.1, 216.239.34.21, or 216.239.36.21, or 216.239.38.1. Use @ as the host name for each one. Now go back to Blogger and click Save. Again on the custom domain box. It may take a few minutes or up to 24 hours for DNS settings to update globally. Once the domain is connected, Blogger will allow you to turn on HTTPS for better security. Make sure that's enabled, and that's it. Your Hostinger domain is now successfully connected to your Blogger site. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.